Connor, stand up and get your dump truck. Where's your truck? Alright, can you pick that thing up? Come on. Oh, Hercules. Yes. Where are you going with that truck? You waiting for Daddy to come home? Oops. Oh, we don't need the toilet flushed. No. Okay. Let's get your truck. Go get your truck. No, one flush was plenty. Come on, let's get your truck. Truck, where's your truck? Dada. Okay. Cheese. Why don't we take your truck out of the bathroom? Oh, you're going to put it on top of the toilet? Okay. Vroom, vroom. Now what? Uh-oh. Ooh, he works hard. Yep, that's the dumper. Hi. Is that your truck? Okay, say bye-bye.